Welcome back. I'm making this video in a hurry because I don't want you to miss out on this amazing indicator. This indicator is specifically designed for scalping and day trading. I see amazing potential in this indicator, and especially if it is combined with another good indicator. In my view, it can do wonders. So without wasting any time, let's open our TradingView chart. As you can see, this is what this indicator looks like on the trading chart. Let's quickly remove this so I can show you how you can add this indicator on your trading charts. By the way, as I have said earlier, this indicator is good for scalping trading and day trading, so make sure you keep that in mind. So to add this indicator in the chart, we will open the Indicators tab from here. After that, in the search area, we will search for LNL Trend System. After that, we will add this indicator to the chart that is written by LNL Capital. So this is the indicator I'm talking about. I'm going to be explaining this indicator in detail in the video and how you can use it to gain maximum advantage from it in your trading. So this indicator is built based on a special calculation of ATR that is derived by combining 13 EMA in relation to the ATR. In this indicator, we have different components. First of all, we have this line, which is called the trend line. It's an exponential moving average with a length setting of 13. But this is not an ordinary moving average line. It also changes color based on the current trend of the market. This is identified by multiple moving averages. When it's green in color, it tells us that the buying trend is strong in the market. And when it's red in color, like it is here, it tells us that at this time selling trend is strong in the market. So buying and selling trend is covered in this indicator. But what about ranging markets or flat market, as some of you may call it? Don't worry, this indicator also detects whenever the market is moving in a range or flat period. So when the trend line is gray in color, just like they are here, it tells us that currently the market is neutral or flat. We will come back to this component of this indicator later in the video because this will play an important role in our strategy. For now, let's move on to the next component of this indicator. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So these small green and red lines that are placed above and below the price are called stop lines. These lines are actually a TR deviation lines, which are made by special calculation of ATR in relation to the recent and previous values of 13 EMA. They provide support and resistance levels which can be used for trailing stop or also entering a position when they are touched or broken depending on the trading strategy. So what do these lines indicate? When they are green in color and below the price, just like they are here. This shows that right now there is a strong buying trend in the market. And when these lines are red in color and above the price like they are here, this shows that there's a strong selling trend in the market. I hope you guys have understood the specific component of this indicator and what role it plays. Please understand every component carefully because we will need to use all these components together in order to get good buy and sell signals. So the next component of this indicator is the color of the candle. These color changing of the candlesticks is based on DMI and ADX indicator values. If the ADX value is below 20, the candles become gray, showing no trend in the market. And when ADX is above 20 level, depending on DMI, the candles become green, showing the advancing of the price in upwards direction. And on the other hand, the candles also become red in color, which shows the declining of the price. Now let's move on to the next component of this indicator. But first of all, we have to turn it on in the settings. So we will open the settings of this indicator, and in the input section, we will enable this option. This is how it looks on the chart. This component is also known as higher time frame cloud. It's very useful for identifying longer-term trend of the market. When it's green in color, the longer-term trend of the market is upwards, meaning the market is in a buying trend. And when it's red in color, the longer-term trend of the market is downward, or we can also say the market is in a selling trend in the long term. So this is the complete detail about the components of this indicator. Now let's see how these different components are used together for entering a trade. As I mentioned earlier, when the trend line becomes gray, it shows flat market. And also having candles in gray color indicates that there is no trend in the market. Another signal for a flat market is when the stop lines, which are these lines, mirror each other. In other words, we have the lines above and below the price at the same time, just like they are here. Whenever we have this situation, this also shows flat market. So firstly, these multiple signs of a flat market can be used for entering a trade. Secondly, we will wait for a buy or sell trending phase of this indicator. A trending phase is when we have confluence between different components of the indicator, for example. When the candles are green in color, the trend line is green in color, the stop lines are also green in color, and also the higher time frame cloud is green in color. So when all these components are green in color, this shows that the price is strongly advancing in upwards direction. On the other hand, when the candle trend line, the stop lines, and the higher time frame cloud is red in color, this shows that the price is strongly declining. So this is how we will enter a buy trade using this indicator. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. Here we can see the market was in a ranging period, or simply said the market was neutral. And keep in mind, for a buy trade, the long-term trend of the market should be bullish. And for that, as we knew, this should be green in color. So after the flat period of the market has ended, we will wait for the market to enter a buying confluence. For that, as we know, the candles, trend line, and the stop line should be green in color. We will wait for these 3 components of the indicator to turn green. So if all these conditions are fulfilled, we can enter a buy trade. As you can see, this would have been an amazing profitable trade. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this indicator. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. The rules for a sell trade are exactly opposite to the buy trade rules. First of all, we want the market to be in a longer-term downtrend, which means this cloud should be red in color. After that, when we have a flat market or break off the stop lines and changing of the color to the opposite, we will wait to see if it turns back to red or not. As we can see here, after the break, the stop lines became red, and at the same time the trend line is red in color, and also the candles are also red in color. So this means we can open a sell trade here. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this indicator. Please feel free to share your thoughts about this indicator in the comments. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to keep yourself updated with the latest strategies in the trading world. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.